This is 1720 Lombard Street, large apartment building in Philadelphia. Bordering the Rittenhouse Square and Graduate Hospital neighborhoods. Beautiful tree-lined street. Rittenhouse Square is just a couple blocks north. Beautifully maintained apartment building. Very secure and safe. Code entry to access. This is some of the common area. Really pretty landscaping. A lot of very unique, character-filled apartments. This is the property. And really pretty. And there's all sorts of units here. This is the entrance for most of the units. There are some entrances along here. And one apartment in there. This is the mail area. How you doing? This is the mail area. Second locked door here. On every floor there's a trash chute. Okay, right there. This is the elevator to get to many of the units. Enter. Now we're going to the basement to show you the additional laundry services. Right here, some additional laundry services. Most of the units have stackable washer and dryer inside the unit. Okay. There is recycling in here. The trash can be dropped through the chute. Tons of security throughout. You'll see lots of cameras. And that is the majority of the common space. Now we're going to head up onto the unit floors for whichever apartment you're viewing now.
Hey everyone, I'm inside 504 of the Beekman Place. It's a one-bedroom unit. As you could see, it has a beautiful floor and a very high ceiling. Here I just walk in through this door, and on the right hand side you have this storage space. And this living area, spacious living area. The unit has a lot of natural light, 3 huge windows. So this is the area where you can use your dining table, which is next to the updated kitchen. This kitchen have everything you need in the kitchen. You have a dishwasher, a gas cooktop and oven, upgraded countertop, and a lot of storage spaces. You also have in a kitchen a washer and dryer, stacked up washer and dryer. The next unit I want to, the next room I want to show you is the bathroom. You have full bath, is very nice tile floor, tile wall, a cheap bathtub, and it's a bath shower combo. You have a medicine cabinet with a mirror. You have sink, you have a toilet. It's a very good size bathroom you have. Here's the last room I would like to show you is a bedroom. It's a nice size bedroom with a lot of storage space. It's a huge closet here, and also you have this huge window for the light. It's very bright in here. As you could see, I didn't turn on any lights. Let me show you the inside of the closets. Here you have double door closet. Two double door closets. There you go. Alright guys, I just showed you a one bedroom unit in 1720 Lombard Street, which is also known as a Bigman. I hope you like the video. I hope you like the unit. Thank you for watching. Bye.